Are you tired of constantly being bombarded with notifications on Facebook while using your PC? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you how to disable all notifications on Facebook with the new update. First, open your Facebook account as you normally would. Then, look next to the web address and click on View Site Information. This will bring up a menu where you can access the site settings. In the site settings, navigate to the Permissions section and look for the Notifications option. Click on the box next to Notifications and a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, choose the option to block notifications. This will prevent Facebook from sending you any notifications while you're using the platform on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully disabled all notifications on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Now you can enjoy browsing Facebook without being interrupted by constant notifications. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.